What's up, y'all? We are back in the garage again working. So by the title of the video, you see I got something juicy for y'all. But quick update on the car. Still up on jack stands. We do have the wheel fixed and back. I mean, you can't even really tell where it was bent, but it was the rear lip. I want to say it was like right in here is where it was bent, but it's fixed now, holding there perfectly. So we're about ready to put the wheel back on, but I still got to get a front tire. I ordered it, just hasn't come in yet for right here to fix this. So it's a 255 30/24 in the front, and this one is completely ruined. So we got a new one coming. I thought I ordered the right one, but I did not, so it's not gonna match, but whatever, I'm not worried about it too much. So the reason the car's still up on jack stands, I need to still adjust my rear control arms, bring that rear end forward so it'll stop rubbing right here and we don't ruin another tire. I want to have everything ready for a show this weekend, but I don't think I'm gonna make it unless this tire comes in by Friday. I'll check the tracking on it and maybe we could get it in. But on to the unboxing. All right, so what we have here, this is the rear wheel. This is a 24x10 Savini. And this is the rear 7-inch lip. Let me get it opened up. Would you look at that? This is beautiful. 7-inch lip, Impala Reps, Savini. Oh no, that's a good looking wheel. Let me get it out the box. Oh yeah. It's my iPhone. Takes up the whole lip. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. All right, so got more. This is the front. There's the front wheel here. It's got a 2.5-inch lip on it, and oh yeah, that looks good. Just gotta figure out how to get this cap off. I honestly don't know. All right, I'm having an issue trying to figure out how to get this center cap off. I don't know how. I don't want to damage anything, so I'm not prying or anything too much. But I'm about to take the wheels and get them dropped off so they can get the tires mounted on them. We're running a 275 25/24 in the rear and a 255 30/24 in the front. Pretty much the same size I'm running on my car. So when they sent us the wheels, they did send them with tires, but they weren't obviously mounted. So for wheels like this, they're super expensive. They're custom. I'm not going to use a little tire shop on the corner. I'm going to take them to Butler Tire. They're kind of pricey, but I know it'll be right. And this car has 20,000 miles on it, and I want everything to be perfect. So let me load these up, get them dropped off, and they'll probably have them ready tomorrow or something. So I just realized I never finished the Savini wheel Chronicle stories. I just finished editing the video and posting it for the Whip Addict show. So this is a couple days after that. We got the 95 here at the shop. I'm just bringing it here tonight. So we got everything straightened out with the axles. All that stuff is done. I brought it here because after we put the longer studs in the axles to fit the stocks with the spacer, now the wheels don't fit because there's the center cap. So we got to cut them down a little bit. And then, so that's why I brought it here. I was like, you know what? This is the last part. We'll mount the wheels up here, cut the just the rear studs. We'll cut them down a little bit, get the wheels mounted. The car is going to go to fast lane for an alignment on Thursday, and then she can go home. So everything's done on it. I need to put something underneath to balance out the box in the trunk, but that's nothing major. But everything else on the car is done. So we will, I'm going to bring the wheels in, show you guys them mounted up and everything on the tires. But real quick, show you a couple things we got going on here at the shop. So we got this beautiful specimen right here. Guy brought this up from Orlando, Florida. he's getting something that you purists is gonna love. I get a lot of people, why you get an LS swap? You know, why not do this? Why not do that? So right now it's a 95. Car's only got about 80,000 miles on it. He's got an LT1 in it right now. Sitting on some chrome 26-inch Corleone forged wheels. I believe the rear end was shortened. It's got a 6-inch lip in the back. Looks like a candy brandy wine, kind of like the same color my car is. Interior is pretty much stock. Oh, it's locked on this side. Interior is pretty much stock. We're going to do a couple things to it on the interior. Steering wheel. It is getting a Dakota digital, but this is the new power plant. This is a 396 LT1 with a brand new 4L80 with the torque head kit. This was built by, I'm going to post the name because right now I don't remember. Some guy who's really good for these engines. I'll post the name in the description or here or something once I get home or when I find it, or I'll put it later in the video. But that's what's going in this car. So we got a 4L80, 396 LT1, freshly built motor, already dynoed, 600 horsepower. Should be a beautiful, beautiful build. So yeah, we'll have some more footage on this coming soon. It's got AFR heads. I mean, this thing is ready to go. So this thing is going to be still a LT1, you know, still a LT1. And then we got this thing. This car was actually shipped to me from California. This guy shipped this car all the way from California. He's from Alabama. So once he picks it up, he's going to drive it to his place in Alabama. But the car was in California before it came to me. Minor stuff, double din kit. We're figuring out the light situation, trying to get the dome lights to work and the door locks and stuff like that. So that's, you know, just a lot of little specialty B-body stuff going on with this one that we're working on. So we'll get this one sorted and, you know, out. A lot of people have asked about the LSA car, and I know my boy Jesse's been waiting on videos, and I've been so terrible not posting videos of that car. It's right outside. I just pulled it out so I could do all this, but it's done. We're just testing it, driving it. Joe's been dailing it. He lives probably 3-4 miles down the street from the shop. So I told him, hey man, drive it back and forth to work every day. That way, you know, we can fill it out, you know. And so far we've had a couple little things go wrong. The fan harness burnt up because we put some aftermarket fans in it and they were pulling a lot more amps. So the original fan harness burnt up. So we put a new fan harness in it. That fixed it. And then just recently, we just had an issue with the power steering pump. We've had to rebuild the transmission, get a new torque converter, all kinds of stuff. Got it tuned. Everything is good. The car drives amazing. It's crazy fast. 408 stroker, LSA supercharger on 15 pounds of boost. It is, and the rest of the car is bone stock. It is absolutely insane. So once he does the power steering pump tomorrow, I'm going to take it to my detailer, get it all cleaned up, beautiful, and then I'll do a whole video on it, on just that car, the ins, the outs, the specs, get some pulls in it, and really show you guys what that car can do. So that's coming soon. Let me go ahead and get these wheels unloaded though, so we can get the hell out of here. Woo! Here they are in all their glory, all mounted up, ready to go. Center caps are in the back seat of the car, but man, look at that lip. Beautiful wheels. Beautiful, beautiful wheels. So we'll get the axles fixed and everything sorted out tomorrow. But I'll probably end up ending the video here, and then I'll make another one once the car is completely done. We'll do a once over of everything that we done, give you shots of underneath, all the new suspension, everything like that. So until that time, I will see y'all in the next one.